Hey guys, this is Saket Nair, and in this video, I'm going to read this news of iPhone 7 that it has been officially uh, given its release date, and its specifications is also been given officially. So no rumors from now on for when iPhone 7 will be launched in India. So the it says the iPhone 7 countdown has officially begun. So now we will be getting iPhone nearly around 3-4 months, I think. So it says there is plus however, this year Apple is reportedly taking it a notch further and is tipped to launch three variants, namely iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, and the iPhone 7 Pro or Plus Premium. So that's an exciting thing. So let's see its feature. The 32 GB base storage variant. Apple is rumored to finally be doing away with the 16 GB base storage. The other one was coming with 16 GB, so now they are replacing it with 32 GB option. So that is a pretty nice option. The company first introduced 16 GB in variant in 2008, and it has remained base model ever since iPhone 5 in 2012 of Apple culture alongside 4K recording capabilities, this shift to a 32 GB base. So it takes a lot more space in 4K recording, so that's why they have done this. On top of that is another strange thing, 256 top storage variant. So that would be, oh my god. Now it was 128 GB, that was more than enough, and now this is the just double 256 GB top storage variant. Apple is reportedly also planning to bump up the storage on top of model, taking up to 256 GB, with the iPhone series legendarily eschewing support for microSD card. So there will be not any need of microSD card for any user. Even in 128 GB mode, they didn't had to do anything, and now also. So top variant would be only available for iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 7 Pro or Plus Premium, or whether it would extend to the smaller screen iPhone 7. So that is a question. Antenna bands. The antenna bands at the back are expected to disappear, giving the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus a sleek, simple monocolored black design. Leaks suggest that the brands will be shifted to the top and bottom edges instead. A more recent rear panel leak once again points to this. So I think that's a rumor. Smart connector. There are conflicting rumors on this one. Some reports suggest that the iPhone 7 will come with a smart connector first, introduced with the iPad Pro for connecting smart keyboard cover and other accessories like charging docks. While other leaks have shown no presence of smart connector. Okay, will make its way to iPhone 7 top variant. 3.5mm headphone jack. This has been rumored for a while now. Apple is reportedly considering giving the 3.5mm headphone jack a miss to make the iPhone much slimmer. So there might not be any headphone jack in the iPhone because they have to make it much more slimmer than iPhone 6. Better quality. Other reasons may include providing a better quality audio experience to users via the lightning port. Okay, so there might be from the charging port only we get a OTG, not an OTG cable, but it's a USB Type C converter to audio jack receiver wire we would be getting. So that it says iPhone says that we would be getting better quality audio experience from that. So if introduce the removal of 3.5mm headphone jack, it may be the single biggest difference for consumers. Okay. Let's leave this. Dual SIM iPhone. A recent report tips that Apple will for the first time include a dual SIM iPhone in its lineup. Though the same report also claims the 3.5mm headphone jack will remain, contradicting several other reports. Okay, dual camera. So this was a big report, big rumor. Actually, I also heard about this. Dual camera would be there in iPhone 7. That's a new trend nowadays in costlier smartphones. While the iPhone 7 will stick to a single camera lens, the dual camera setup is expected to be embedded in the larger iPhone 7 Plus. This will be the first time Apple dabbles in the dual camera feature, and it will be interesting to see how the dual camera setup changes the quality of the pictures produced, from better low light performance to improved color accuracy and faster autofocus. So, and this news is about deep blue color variant. Another color is releasing. Apple is reportedly also looking to introduce a deep blue color variant. That would be very awesome, very awesome, with the iPhone 7 this year, and dramatically discontinue the popular space gray color variant. Okay, that was in normal iPhone color variant. Other than that, rose gold was there, and other things. There was no like black thing. Now it's deep blue, would be almost similar to black color. So that is a nice thing. 3 GB, okay, 3 GB of RAM. To accommodate the dual camera setup, the iPhone 7 Plus will increase its RAM size to 3 GB. There's no information whether the base iPhone 7 variant will receive the bump, but we sure hope it does. Stereo speakers. A few images have been leaked showing speaker grills on both sides of the lightning port, hinting that the iPhone 7 might come with stereo speakers. 4 speakers. A recent leak has also tipped that the iPhone 7 will come with two sets of storage space, like the iPod Pro, on the top and bottom panels of the smartphone. That might be awesome. Optical image stabilization, that is the OIS. While the iPhone 7 Plus is tipped to support dual camera setup, both the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus variants are tipped to come with optical image stabilization, that is OIS. Slimmer than predecessor, it is expected to be 1 millimeter slimmer than iPhone 6. This can be happen only if Apple ditches the 3.5mm headphone jack. Currently the iPhone 6 is 7.1 mm thin. The iPhone 7's meta build height, width, and design profile will stay the same. So they say iPhone 7 would be launched till September in India. I think India officially launched. I don't until the official iPhone 7 launch in September. So this was the videos I was reading review about iPhone 7 official release date. So thank you guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Do subscribe for more such videos.